Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm showing you how I cut my toddler's hair. I'm going to take this comb and detangle his hair first. If your kid's hair is a little bit longer, I would use a wide tooth comb to detangle and then start cutting. I'm going to take this brush as well and start brushing down these little naps, and then I will get started with the haircut. So here I am taking the wall hair clipper. This is the one that you plug into the wall. They also have ones that are battery powered, so either one would work. And right here, you guys, I'm just going to take this softer brush and I'm going to brush down his hair before I actually put the clippers to his head, so that I can make sure his hair is just as smooth as possible. This next part, y'all, is so critical that you pay attention to the way that you're holding the clipper, and you want to make sure it's even and you start to cut his hair smoothly. So just take your time and just make sure that the blade is evenly on their head, not lopsided, not one side is, touching the hair and the other side isn't. You want to make sure it's smooth and equal on both sides, so that you don't get any bald spots. So just keep that in mind if you are trying this at home during the quarantine lockdown that we have going on right now. Okay, y'all, following the same steps, I'm going to just continue going down his hair smoothly. And I am taking my time. It looks like it's a little bit sped up, but I pretty much have been doing this since he's about 1 year old. So I kind of got the hang of it now. If you are beginning, I would just say take it slower just a little bit. But after you start getting the hang of it, you can start moving a little bit faster, just so that you don't get any bald spots, because you could probably get a bald spot or two if you try to move too fast. Okay, y'all, check out Taj back there, my son. Pulling out all of my undies, everything. This is why. But anyways, y'all. So I just went ahead and brushed his hair with the hard bristle brush that you saw before. I'm getting all this hair off of him now before he starts complaining about that. And the hair is kind of itchy. So I know that it itches and sticks to his skin. So you want to make sure you do that and get around their ears and inside their ears as well. And then I'm going to take this brush, the softer one, and smooth his hair down again because I'm going to go over and clip his hair again once I finish cleaning up. But y'all get it. It's super simple. If you do try this at home, please let me know how it comes out for you guys. I have so much fun doing this with my kids because, well, my son actually, he's the only one that gets a haircut. But it's a bonding time. It's a time where we can sit there and we can have fun. And he was super excited about making the video, so we went ahead and did that. So I'm now getting a little bit lower to his level so that I can go over everything the same way that I just did, the same steps I'm following, but I'm doing this a lot smoother and I'm just making sure that I get the last finishing touches. So just keep following. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to start clipping his edges. So I wanted to show y'all how this could actually happen if you don't pay attention. So basically, I kind of nibbed his skin a little bit. It was obviously an accident, but accidents do happen. I just wanted to keep this clip in there to just be kind of realistic with you guys and let you know that this could happen. And just to be really careful of the tools that you're using because they can hurt them. So basically, just take your time. If your child is really hard with being still, you may need to have someone help you hold him, like just to get him to calm down, just so that you can get the edge and the nape of their hair. And you see me in the video here, I was giving him a little break and I asked him if he was okay. He said he was, so after that I started again. But y'all, he's okay, seriously, because this boy, you get so many scrapes and bumps on him all the time playing around his house. And the minute he get a little nink in the back of his head, I think he started to cry because he realizes there's a machine around his ear buzzing and it nipped him. And so that's the reason why he cried. But I think that's pretty normal for him. He usually doesn't cry because I do his hair all the time. So to be honest, this was something that I didn't really expect out of him. But like I said, I wanted to keep this clip in there just to show you the real deal. And I hope you guys are still following along. This is how I edge his hair up. And it's pretty simple. I pretty much do take my time. This is the finishing touch. He couldn't stop keeping his eyes out the camera. But yeah, I just keep going over it and I am taking my time. It is sped up because I didn't want to make this video too long, but I do take my time when I do edge him. So just keep that in mind. I hope you have enjoyed this video, you guys. I had so much fun making it. Excuse my bloated stomach. I look silly, but listen, we're quarantined and we're stuck in the house, so I have to do what I gotta do, okay? But I hope you guys are being safe and having fun with your family while you can. And yeah, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel if you're following along with me and you're enjoying the video. So like this if you do enjoy it, and comment down below. Tell me how's your day going? How's quarantine life going for you guys? Yeah, try this at home and let me know how it works out for you. Thank you for watching. Bye, y'all.
Bye.